The court has asked for a letter brief within 5 days as to whether or not Governor Newsom's decision would make this case moot. My sense is it's pretty obvious that nobody wants to put their name on letting Leslie walk out of prison. The problem with the governors is they're politicians. They rely on the public for votes to get either reelected or run for another office. And this has the potential, if they were to let her out, have their opponents at re-elections follow, throw it in his face. And these are difficult decisions. That's why we have courts. Courts are there to enforce the law, even if it's unpopular. And to do otherwise would just allow mob rule. So what is required for someone in your circumstances to be released? They have up to 90 days to issue an opinion. And they were talking at the very early part of the hearing about their normal course. The normal course is they're going to render a decision usually within 7 to 10 days of oral argument, because they've got a tentative decision already written.
What do you think? You're asking for the governor to give an indication of what he would do?
No, the law is if there's not a current unreasonable risk to public safety, she shall be released. And to this day, nobody has specifically come out with any reason why she would be a current unreasonable risk to public safety. That one ingredient that's required is still missing today. The Tate murders, they keep throwing the Tate murders at Leslie, but she didn't even know they happened until the next day. The name Manson, there's no other viable reason or excuse. If I've been representing for over 20 years life inmates getting out of prison. Many of them who have gotten out have done much worse crimes than Leslie did, but they weren't connected with a high-profile case. The governor has his full time. She's excited. It's hard. Inmates have to expect the worst to be able to deal with it. But you always hope for the best. And she's excited, which it makes it hard for all of us.